I'm back on the 56 old Tetanus Shot. The windshield here, you can see, it's pretty dadgum rotten. Glass is broke. But I went and bought me a windshield frame. I don't know what it fits, but it's got the three triangular holes right there on the end, and over here on this end, yeah, that end, it's got those three holes that those heavy duty hinge brackets mount on. Of course, this one doesn't have the rubber, and the windshield is bad. However, on that old 73 that I can't hardly get rid of, it's a two-wheel drive. It's the only Jeep out here that's got a good windshield, and it looks to be the same contour, size, and everything, and it's not busted. So I believe I get these hinges on there, take the little latches, those little cam lock latches. There's a place on this one for them to bolt right on there. Those three triangular holes there. And there, it'll bolt right on. And I'll have glass, hinges, and a windshield that it'll fold forward. So, okay, it is recording. So I'm gonna take my grinder, get my genuine safety goggles folded up here over my glasses. And I've got two of them. I'm gonna do one more, and that hinge will be loose. What the deal is with the hinge, let's see if I can find the one I just took off. Okay, right here. This, so much sunlight out here I can't see. There it is. This is a hinge. It's got three holes that'll bolt up to the frame, and it's got a heavy duty bar right here that slides up inside that rectangular frame. That's what gives it its rigidity. So let me get to grinding here. Turn that around where it throws those sparks away from me. I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'm sure you don't need to watch me do that. Okay, I got it all ground off. Now let's see what happens. Look at that. Okay, I've got a problem right there. Fix that out of the way. Trying to knock that old sheet metal. I'm throwing this whole frame away. There it is. There it is, man. Good to go. All right. Progress all the time. Okay, no ducks allowed. Tetanus Shot is getting better all the time. The 56 four-wheel drive Tetanus Shot. To finish up on my windshield video, it didn't have any cracks in it until I started putting it in. It's got one diagonal crack. It's over in the middle. I did that because I didn't know what I was doing. But I got it in there, all except for that little mishap. I've got to paint that metal frame. I put the latches on there, and I've got to get some screws. I'm going to ease that down. I want to get some screws and fasten this rubber up under here. And I'll have it thing back in, I won't say tip-top shape, but better shape. And then I'm still got to save up some nickels and get that speedometer cable. I've got the speedometer. I did put a little mirror off of a side by side, and it folds in case I'm going between trees. Because guess what? This is not a Walmart Jeep. It's a real Jeep that you drive in the woods, 4-wheel drive. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll continue on later.